Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a baby hat. There is a free pattern on this one and I will put the link on the description box below. So please hit the subscribe button and the bell beside it so that you will be notified every time I have a new video. So let's get started. For this demonstration, I'm going to use my hand-dyed cotton yarn, my 4mm crochet hook, we have our yarn needle, and we have our scissor. So to start with, what I am going to do now is for a small newborn baby. So to start off, we're going to make our magic ring. Or you can make a chain 4 and you can just join it to form a circle. And then we're going to chain 2. Our chain 2 counts as our first double crochet, and we're going to make a total of 10 double crochet in our ring. So we have already our first double crochet. We're going to make 9 more. So continue doing your 9 double crochet and double crochet. We're just going to close our magic ring and slip stitch on our second chain. For our round 2, chain 2. And make another double crochet on the chain. This will be an increase round. Make 2 double crochet in each chain. So continue doing your 2 double crochet for our increase round, and at the end of this round we'll have a total of 20 double crochet. So now we are done with our round 2 and we're going to slip stitch to join. Round 3 will be an alternate increase. We're going to start by chaining 2. Make 1 double crochet on the same chain. One double crochet on the next. And then 2 again on the next chain. Again, 1 double crochet on the next chain, 2 double crochet on the next. So continue doing your repeat of alternate increase, 1 double crochet on the first chain and 2 double crochet on the next. So we're going to slip stitch to join. So we have 1, 2, and 3 rounds. For round 4, we are going to chain 2, make 1 double crochet on the same chain, one double crochet on the next, one double crochet on the next chain, and 2 double crochet on the next. So we begin with our increase, 1 double crochet in the next 2 chains, and our increase again. So that will be our repeat. 1 double crochet on the next chain, 1 double crochet on the next, and our increase, 2 double crochet on the next chain. So continue doing your repeat until you reach the very first chain, and then we're going to slip stitch on our first chain 2 on that second chain, and we'll continue on our next round. So we're going to slip stitch to finish off our 4th round. For round 5, chain 2 and 1 double crochet again on the same chain, skip 1 chain, and this is the chain that we're going to skip, and on the next we need to make 2 double crochet. Again, skip this chain and 2 double crochet on the next chain. So this will be our repeat for the entire round. Skip 1 chain and 2 double crochet on the next chain. So continue doing your repeat of skipping 1 chain and making 2 double crochet on the next chain. So we are not doing any chains in between. So 2 double crochet, we started with chain 2, another double crochet, we skip the next chain, and 2 double crochet again on the next. So this will be our repeat until you reach the end. 5, and we are skipping this chain, and we're going to slip stitch on the second chain of our chain 2 to finish off our round 5. So from rounds 6 to 10, we're just going to repeat round 5. So chain 2 and make 1 double crochet on the next on the same chain. So we're going to skip this chain and we're going to make 1 double crochet on the next chain. Again, skip this one, double crochet 2 or twice on the next chain. So basically we are going to miss the second double crochet, and we're going to make 2 double crochet in every first double crochet. Okay, so rounds 6 to 10, we're just going to repeat round 5. So now we are done with our 10 rounds. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10 for our round 11, and this will be the last. We're going to do the last round 11, and I make a chain of 1, and we're going to make 1 single crochet in every chain around. This will just be a simple single crochet around. So now we are done with our Valerie small newborn baby hat. Please don't forget to click the link on the description box below for the free pattern. And I hope you enjoyed our tutorial for today. Please don't forget to subscribe. Happy crocheting everyone. Stay safe and God bless.